Hi, and welcome to your AUM Library. Today I'm going to show you how to access and use one of our databases called Academic Search Premier. It's a great general and multidisciplinary database that should be able to help you find whatever you're looking for. Alright, so I'm going to go up here on our main page to the tab that says Databases and Articles. Click on that. And since I know the name of the database, I can use the alphabetical listing. I can go right here to Academic Search Premier with A. Or I can use our databases by subject. Let me show you that one real quick. All right, so I click on databases by subject, and it is right here. Again, they're all alphabetically listed, so Academic Search Premier is right here. I can also use our drop-down menu. Starts here with art and music, goes all the way down to sociology and a whole bunch in between. And Academic Search Premier is listed in our general and multidisciplinary databases. So I could click on that, click apply. That would take me to the page that also has this listed. But since it's right here, I'll just go ahead and click here. All right, so it's going to take me here to the search page. I want to go to the advanced search page just because it gives me some more options. All right, so before I start typing in my search terms up here at the top, I want to go down here to my search options. And it does link it here to my Boolean and my phrase because I'm going to be using my linking terms and, or, and not. Then over here to the right, I have apply related words, search within full text of the articles, and then apply equivalent subjects. I want to do all three of these so that the database does some work for me. All right, so I want to look for different related words to my search topics and also equivalent subjects, again, that I might not be aware of, but the database can find those for me. Then I also want to search within the full text of the articles so that I'm looking for my search terms in the entire article, not just the title or the abstract. Then I also want to limit my results just to full text, so that way I'm bringing back items that I have full access to. All right, so my search term today is going to be modern wheat. And you'll notice that it's bringing up some suggestions for me. Then here in the second part, I want to add a second term. I want to look for health benefits. Spell it right. All right, and so you'll notice that it brings up some different suggestions for me, but I want to limit this just to health benefits. All right, and then I will search. All right, so that's going to take me here to my result page, and I have 57 results. That's pretty good. All right, and you'll notice here it says linked full text, and then we've got some here that say PDF full text. I'll show you the difference between those. First, I'm going to show you over here on the left, if I needed to, I could refine my results. And I can limit things just to scholarly peer-reviewed. If I have a date limitation, I can use the slide bar here and do that if I so need to. I also have different source types. So if I need the academic journals, I can limit it just to those. Or if I'm also looking for popular sources like magazines, or newspaper articles, or trade publications, I can choose those here as well. I also have a subject thesaurus terms. Let me show you that real quick. I can click here under Show More. And it's going to bring up a box here with different items and subjects that are related to my original search. So I can choose any of these as I wish. If they're relevant to my search, then I can click Update and it'll narrow it down just to those subject areas. All right, so that is a tool that's available for you. So let me show you the difference between linked full text and full text. All right, so I want to click on the title of the article that I found. And that takes me here to the result page where it gives me the author's names, the source, the original place where it was published, and then some very useful subject terms and author-supplied keywords. I also have the abstract here that I can read before I get into the whole article. Over here on the right, I've got some great tools. This database is linked to Google Drive, so I can actually save the citation there in my Google account. I can email this article to myself. I can, of course, save the citation. And then the Cite button right here. This gives me the citation format for several different styles. So I can scroll down here to APA, if that's the style that I'm using, and I can just go ahead and copy that. Put that into my Word document for my citation, my works cited page, or my bibliography. So you can see there are several different several different types of citation styles. I have MLA, so again, just copy that put that into my Word document for my citation. All right, and then over here on the left, I have my linked full text. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that link. All right, and so this takes me into a different database. That's the nice thing about the linked full text. If one database doesn't have it, another one might. And so this links me into our Science Direct database, where I have the whole article right here. I can download that PDF. I can also email it to myself here with the share button. And then this is also another database that I know has my information. It's another place for me to search. All right, but I'm going to go out of here and go back to our result page. So that was a linked full text. Let me show you what a PDF full text would look like. All right, so let me scroll down here. All right, so here's one that has HTML full text and PDF full text. I'll just go ahead and click on the title. And again, it's going to take me to that result page, again, with all my different authors. It's a lot of authors. The subject terms, and then the abstract. Again, all the same tools over here to the right. And then I have my HTML full text or my PDF full text. I'm going to go ahead and click on the PDF full text. So that's going to bring up the PDF here for me that I can go ahead and read directly here in my browser, or I can come up here to the top and click Download PDF. And I can download that PDF. Again, I still have all my same tools over here to the right that I can use, and I can download from here and print from here as well. All right, I'm going to go back to the result list. And again, I can just kind of scroll through here, see what different articles came up using my search terms. And if I need to adjust those, I do have the search bars up here where I can go in and add some additional search terms, and I can even add some more boxes if I need. And of course I have my linking terms and, or, and not that I can use as well. Alright, and if you have any questions, you can always reach out to one of your AUM librarians here on our main page. Down here at the bottom there's an Ask Your Library tab. You can click on that and you can actually chat with a librarian if you need to. We can help walk you through any questions that you might have while you're in the database. Or you can reach out to us over here on the right under Information and Services. You can check out a librarian, make an appointment with the librarian. You can contact us on this page as well, or visit our FAQs. All right, again, thank you so much for visiting your AUM library today.